You got it, Adam.
You got some separation, guys. You got some separation, Adam and Trevin. You have separation, guys. Push, push, push. Now's the time. Now's the time. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Ladder Racing Action Night. We've got the Rowdy Rhinos taking on OTR Swagger. Williams team in the lineup tonight for Rowdy. We've got Paul, Matt, Trevin, Chris, and Adam. The course they're going to be racing on is Volcano circuit in the counterclockwise direction, only power up being draft. So this is the one with the brutal uphill finish at the end. So it's going to be a tough race tonight against the Swagger boys and girl. And yeah, hope you enjoy the action. Always stick around at the end for some race wrap up and ride on. All right. The Rowdy boys taking on the OTR Swaggers.
Just draft tonight, boys.
Another rhino passing me.
What?
What was that?
Who is that? Who's that, Wayne?
That sounded like a soundbite.
What was that? So Wayne
That
just came
Anthony?
in.
No, Wayne?
I don't see Anthony in here, but my overlay's not working. I know it sounded like Anthony as well. My overlay's not working, so I can't tell who's talking. Anyway, somebody's kind of stretching it out here.
Jen's going.
I got it.
Yeah.
Cover that.
Oh, is it? I don't remember her name. Is
Jen.
Jen, right? Yeah.
Yeah. She's 52 kgs.
Are you serious?
52?
Oh my god. I'm more than half of her. Oh no.
more than half. I think you mean more than double.
Yeah.
Sure.
She's half you. You're double. She's half. Something like that. Double. Triple. Something.
Edit that part out.
Are we in Tim Hortons right now?
I don't know. Double. It sounds like a double to me. Wait, it's donut day. No, it's not coffee day. National Donut Day. Oh, pass that guy on the side of the road.
Oh, I think that was me.
That was me. All right, back to business. In the tunnel. It's so dark.
Yeah.
It's so dark. I don't like this. I like it when it's bright and sunny. It's depressing when it's dark and rainy in this course. Why do they even do that? Who wants to see dark and rain? Nobody. Nobody.
Is everybody else dark and rainy? Because I'm sunny.
Yeah.
Oh, for me it's dark and rainy.
Dark and rainy.
Sunny.
I feel pretty.
Dark and stormy.
Nice.
Reardon's pushing to the front.
Right, this is the reverse counterclockwise direction. So it finishes on that nice little, I think, yes. I think this is the finish that is quite fun.
A little bit of uphill
Yes,
at the end.
yes. I
Whose
believe
idea
so.
was that? Just kidding. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's not raining in the volcano, nice. It's always nice to see. Dum-dum-dum. No better way to spend a Friday night, in my opinion. Watching guys suffering.
Yep.
And listening to them moan and groan. Oh,
Roy might be putting a bit push on here.
He's pushing a little bit of elevation, then he's going to do the downhill.
And the rain.
Oh. Adam going through there? No, who's that? Oh, that was
Chris.
Chris? Okay. I got to figure out who's wearing what tonight. Okay, so Adam's gone with just the hairstyle, I guess, tonight. Just hair. I know Alex can tell. I can always pick out Paul Vance. And New York is Trevin, probably. Yes, Trevin's New York. Yep. Okay. And Matt always has the hat on. So.
Yes, sir.
All right. Quite a few disc wheels in the house tonight, I see. Quite a few disc wheels.
Yeah.
How you guys feeling? You feeling like you want to do any attacks here, or keep pushing a high pace?
On me, not yet. But if someone wants to, go ahead.
I'll do it the first lap. Do a little one.
Do you want to send 2 or just 1?
I think you're gonna have that lightweight go up. Gonna try to flex. Put it out here.
There goes Adam.
Adam's going.
Adam's going. Looks like,
Find the wheels. Look,
everybody's
back
going.
up.
Everybody's going. And they're going to roll over the top of you, Adam.
We're all here.
Yeah. Fish doesn't want to drop his rider, so he's probably going to get off the gas. Yep, that's the finish banner. He's doing like.
Heart rate's super high.
He's off the gas.
He's doing like a $140 up there.
He's off the gas.
Nice, Trevin.
My heart rate is going way up. It's weird. It's too high.
You're saying your heart rate?
Yeah. I'm not
You
sure
feel
why.
all right?
175?
Fine.
Alright.
I don't know. We'll see. I prefer having in the 160s.
You're 175 or 174.
You've got this. Sit in if you need. If you're not feeling it.
I'm going.
It's coming down now. A little bit. 170.
Breathe through your diaphragm if you can. In deep through your stomach.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
Way too early to be 182. That's my max.
Yeah, it is a little early in the race for that.
I don't like that.
Pushing. On the front.
She's not doing much.
Yeah, Den's doing 5.4.
But that's 200 watts for her.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? She's light, remember? Yeah. She'll probably just push every time there's the inclines.
If she does that again, you can always counter over the top of her. Like into the downhill or something where she's light.
Their riders are just hanging out on the back. Three are just hanging on the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
She goes to front again.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Certainly.
If there's one of these ramps that's relatively tame, I wonder about attacking like right at the top.
Over the top?
They're pushing.
If they don't go.
Well, they're pushing a little bit.
Yeah, follow them now. For sure. If someone has it and wants to go over the top, keep it going for another 10-20 seconds. That might be a good spot.
Make sure we got some coverage up there.
Yeah, we're all here. We're all here.
She really likes to push off the front.
Yeah.
Banner coming up. There we go. Is she like? Who's their weakest? Is Reden their weakest by chance? Reden? This seems to always be dangling at the back. I don't know.
Yeah, it'd be either Pike or Roy, Reardon or Mahara.
Yeah.
They're both about 245, 250 over 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. There he is again. He likes to just sort of sit off the back. I'm not sure why you would do that, but he's back on. I'm gonna roll through. About halfway through. There she goes again. Like, I like her style, actually. I actually like her style. It reminds me of somebody I know.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, Adam.
Yeah, great
I'll take a
job.
little dig.
Going over the
Yeah,
top
go
of
right
her?
over the top. Good boy. Yeah. Roy's
Sit up.
coming with ya. There we go. So you get spiced in here. You got it, Adam. Nice job. Good ball. Take it.
Getting back together.
Give a good push, Matt, if you can. Fish is a little bit dangling. Get up there. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Get up there. See if you guys can keep pushing a bit. Ah, no. No, never mind. Never mind. Fish is there. There. There.
Although that one guy's back there doing his
Yeah,
dangle.
yeah.
Doing his dangle again. He sits back there about that distance off the back. I don't know. Anyway, maybe it's just his style.
Dirty dangles.
There he is again. Anyways, he's behind Matt.
Yeah.
Right. See how far back? Like, I guess he's still in the draft there, but
Yeah,
it
yeah.
just seems really far
Yeah.
back to me. I don't know why he'd be back that
Yeah.
far, especially right now.
If you guys have it, you can give her a little push. See if you can drop him. You might drop.
I'm not sure why. Anyways, not my business. You know, some teams do that so that they make you think, oh, we'll push on the front because there's a guy dangling off the back. When in actual fact, he's just
Yeah.
playing the game. He's just playing.
Yeah. He's not like their strongest rider, right?
Okay. Well, then he's probably
So-
not playing.
Yeah, he might be
It's hard to say.
hard to
Hard to say. You guys are doing awesome. You guys are doing great. Moros. Head to the front again.
Give a little push here.
I like it. Yeah, they're pushing.
Here we go up again. Good job, guys. Good job. Great. Just the practice for the finish lap.
Reardon's dangling again. You got this, Adam. Nice.
Here he is again, hanging back.
He's back.
Going through, drafting. No.
Getting ready. How's everyone feeling?
Ray's very quiet.
Good. I'm just trying to slam in the gel.
Oh. Slamming a gel.
Legs don't feel as good. Legs don't feel as good as they did yesterday. But this isn't my. This is not my kind of course.
Mm.
Not to excel at.
Right. Not enough vertical.
Not enough vertical to drive. It's that short punchy shit.
Yep.
And then I'm tired. Can't recover. Well, I can, but it's been a while.
It's done.
There she goes again.
You've got it, Matt. Nice job.
Also, just let her dangle a couple seconds out front. She never gets a recovery then. She'll never get a recovery in then. Because now she just slides back and chills for a while.
Yeah, until the next hill road.
Oh, loose going. He's
Make
pushing.
the move.
Yep. Everybody going.
Balls on it.
On the.
Good job, Chris.
Read it. So he's dangling again, but you're back together.
And there he is back.
I know. Well, the thing is, they're on the downhill, so it's pretty hard to get separation.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Matt and Adam. Yeah, let them bring you back.
That definitely was an acceleration on their behalf. They were up to like almost 8 there.
Yeah.
That was Lewis, right? Yeah, Lewis pushed there.
Somebody want to take a dig on this flat?
Fish is going. Fish is
Can't do it.
push on.
I'll do it.
He's
I'm struggling, guys. I'm here, but I'm struggling.
he's like
I will push in.
gonna go over the top.
Nah.
Chris is gonna.
Chris got it.
Chris has got it. Let them
got it,
close
Chris.
on Chris.
Nice job, Chris.
Let them close,
Yeah.
Chris. Yeah.
Grab a
sit.
wheel.
Yep,
Wheel.
yep. Let them close. Let them close. Let them close. Fish.
Fish is bridging.
Oops.
Adam, if you've got it, feel free to go
I'm
over
gonna
and
attack.
fish.
Yep.
Yeah.
Things are strung out. Good job, Adam. Now's the time if you want to.
Nice
Now's the time to go.
job. Nice pig. Nice pig. You got it, Adam. You got it. Fish is trying to respond here. Good job, Chris. Grab those wheels, guys. Come on, Trev. Come on, Chris. You got it. You got it.
Nobody dangling. Okay. It is very strung out though. Okay.
You got it, Matt. You got it.
I got a 2-on-2 up
Nice work,
front.
Trevin.
I think you're gonna get back together. Come on, Matt. You got it, Matt. Grab a wheel. Grab a wheel. Grab Paul's wheel. There you go.
You're right there.
Job,
You're
man.
right there.
You gonna bridge? Okay. Chris. Sorry, Chris.
Nice burst, Chris.
Downhill. They're all off the gas. I can see Jen going over the top right now, though. Is she going to go over the top? Is she going to go over the top?
3v3.
No.
Yeah, Paul. Come on, Paul, follow me.
You got it, Paul.
You got it, Paul. You got it. Grab Matt's
Yep,
heel.
yep,
You got it.
yep.
You got it.
Oh, man, there's Dangler again.
Good job, guys. Good job. You got it, Matt. Stick on the wheels.
Great work, guys.
Is this the last lap?
Good work. Second to last.
Second lap? Okay.
Let them sit second wheel.
Guys are doing awesome, doing awesome.
Let me push.
Just don't let them slow it down. So I think that's what they're trying to do.
I'm gonna hang on as long as I can, guys. I'm feeling good. I'll do what I can.
You got it, Matt. You got it.
Yeah,
Pushing to go.
There we go. Take a break before the hill.
You got it, guys. You got it.
Here we go, guys. You got it. Go, 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 go. Come on, Matt. Come on, Adam. You got it. Reardon's doing his thing.
Yep. He's doing his thing.
Good job, guys.
She's doing her thing.
Great job. Good job.
I would just let her sit like that out front when she was. Because, yeah. She'll eventually slide
Taking
back,
hold.
but.
Her 5 minutes is over 5.2, so it's probably not working too hard right now.
I don't like the 5-second mark, guys. I'll try the bridge and sacrifice. You guys take my wheel.
I can bridge.
Alright.
I can bridge.
Alright.
Good job, guys. You got it, Matt. You got it. Good job, Trev. Good job, Chris.
Are you gonna. Oh, so is somebody gonna go over the top? No. Can't get any other riders to dangle, so.
Just remember their acceleration is going to be a little faster than ours on the finish, since they're lighter. Yeah, watch an attack from the back up this hill. Yeah.
Right, guys, you got this.
There we go. You got it, guys.
Steve Fish is
I'm done
going.
with it.
Fish is
Got
going.
it. Have a good tank. You got it, guys. You got it.
Good job,
Got it.
Adam.
Good job, Paul. Good job. Keep those wheels.
Oh, he's slamming it.
Attaboy, Adam. You got it, Adam. Got it.
You got some separation,
Right.
guys. You got some separation, Adam and Trevin. You got separation.
Come on, Paul. Come on, Paul. You guys got it. You guys got it. Push.
You got Lewis off the back. And Paul, you got it,
man.
Paul.
You got it.
Great
You got
job.
her. You got her. Let's go.
Shit.
Is that the finish?
Fuck. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
Good
know
job,
it was the finish. I didn't know that was the
Good
finish. Oh my god. All right, race wrap-up time. First off, I want to thank William from the OTR Swagger team for the race tonight. The course, the Punchy Volcano Circuit course. Well, we knew it was going to be a challenge against the Swagger team. They brought a solid lineup. And yeah, they had Jen going off the front there pretty well every time up through the volcano. Really strong rider. Yeah, pushing the pace, keeping everybody in line. And Adam also pushed up through the volcano. Trevin pushed off the front. Everybody was contributing huge tonight. And it came down to that final lap and the final time up into the volcano to that finish line. And that is a brutal finish. Fish there from their team basically launched from the bottom of that climb and pushed over 7 watts all the way to the finish line. Amazing effort. Adam and Trevin tried so hard to get him, almost got him at the line, had to push super hard, and then it was also sprinting action by Matt and Chris and Paul, finishing up the final spots tonight's very close finish. Gonna post up the final score. I think the guys got it. It was a close one. Hope you enjoyed the action tonight. Luke, can't forget the DS tonight. Luke was DSing from the Fury team, helping out, cheering the boys on, giving them lots of encouragement. So thanks a lot, Luke, for tuning in tonight and DSing for the guys. Hope you enjoyed the action. So as always, subscribe, like, comment, come back anytime, and ride on.